Creating stunning content quickly and on a budget is now a reality for many marketers. Crate and Barrel's marketing team juggles multiple projects, often facing tight deadlines and limited resources. Typically, video projects are outsourced, taking weeks to complete, which can be frustrating and inefficient. In an exciting twist, they decided to produce a video for their summer 2016 catalog in-house. By using existing images from their spring 2016 catalog, they swiftly created engaging video content. Animoto empowered their team to generate a captivating video on the same day they began. The results were impressive. Their quick video garnered as much engagement as lengthy outsourced productions. Susie Truleys, VP of Marketing, praised the ability to produce quality videos efficiently with existing assets. This experience highlights the importance of bringing video creation in-house for greater flexibility and speed. Unlock your creative freedom and drive engagement. Great videos await you with just a few clicks.